Welcome to the video. I hope you're doing well. In this one, I'm going to show you how to write a macro that will convert Roman numerals into the standard Arabic text that we use, into the Arabic numbers rather. So I'll start off here by just typing in some Roman numerals, I, etc. Okay, so we'll go into the Visual Basic editor. Insert a module, and let's just call it convert to convert Roman numerals. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is define the range that we're using. So the dimension, rng is range, and then the selection value, so it's basically saying the values in the selection of what we're using. Yeah, for each range in the selection. That we're using, and if not, okay, so this is saying you've looked at the selection, and if there's a non-text group of values in the various cells in the range, then we'll convert it to the normal numbers that we use. We'll end the if function and then put in the loop. Okay, so this won't just work for Roman numerals, it'll also work for any other style of numerical value that you might have, and it'll convert it to the standard numbers that are used. So this is something that'll be useful if you receive a spreadsheet from someone else in a different format to what you'd like. You can use this and easily convert it to the values that you'd like to work with. Alright, we'll highlight our range, our selection, convert to numbers. Okay, great. So, hope this is useful, and Thanks for watching the video.